Hey guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we have a new budget category smartwatch to check out from Amazfit. This is their brand new Amazfit Neo, and let me tell you, it's a retro style watch with all the smart features you'd want it to have. See, a lot of people still love these sort of retro looking digital watches, so Amazfit decided to bring back that trend with this model. And the best part is, it's quite affordable and offers some really decent features which I'll be telling you people in this video. We've got the Amazfit branding on the front and mentioned some of its highlights, which includes heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, always on display, offers 28 days of battery life, and it's also 5 ATM water resistant. So these were some of its features, and the Neo is a Bluetooth 5.0 BLE enabled smartwatch. So what I'll do is I'll quickly unbox it and show you the product. Here we go. So it comes in this sort of packaging. At the top, you've got the user manual, make sure to read that. And here's our brand new watch, the Amazfit Neo. This watch is available in 3 different colors. The one we have right now is the black color variant. Let me just remove this outer cover and show you the product. Okay, this is how it looks like, the Amazfit Neo smartwatch. Nice, it's got that old school retro-like look and feel. Before we go in depth, let me also check out what else do we get in the package. You get a USB dock for charging the watch and that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally have a look at the watch guys, the new Amazfit Neo. Damn, it's got some good looks. See, I used to wear a similar kind of Casio digital watch back in my school days. So, my memory is kind of refreshed when I saw this. It's got a 1.2-inch retro STN display in a rectangular format. You got the Amazfit branding on the bottom just below that, and I like these red and white accents they've used on the bezels. If you ask about the build quality is decent. The body is made of high quality plastic material, but the best part is it's 50 meters water resistant. The watch has 4 buttons on it, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. On the left side there's a select and back button and up and down menu navigation buttons on the right. The quality of the buttons also feel good. Going to the back side, the watch has a bio tracker PPG sensor for heart rate measurement and a buzzer just beside that. Talking about the straps, it's got 20 PUR material straps and feel quite soft and durable. And I don't think the straps on it are replaceable. Well guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. What I'll do is I'll quickly wear it on my wrist and show you how it looks like. There you go, looks great on my hand. See, the size looks perfect for teenagers, but if you're an elder person with bigger hands, then it might be a bit small for you. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a few days and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've set up the watch and it's all good to go. See, I've been using it for the past few days, so I'll share my experience and also show you all the available features and functions in this video. First, let's talk about the display. As mentioned before, the Neo has a 1.2-inch always-on STN display. It's basically a monochrome LCD display found mostly on our old-school digital watches if you remember. And if you ask about the quality, well, the display quality is nice, everything is easily readable even in bright outdoor conditions. I didn't face any sort of issues. On the home screen, it displays the date and time on the lower half section, while the upper half shows you all the smart stuff the watch can do. The mode is indicated by the left circle, while the numbers and the data it records is shown on the right side. You can easily change this and access different features and modes present on it using the up and down buttons on the right. And by long pressing the back button, you can toggle the backlight. The watch does support raise to wake feature also, where it automatically enables the backlight for a brief period so you can easily check the time even during night time. So let's quickly browse through the menu and check out all the available modes and features. By default, it shows you the step counter on the home screen where it displays the number of steps you've taken on that particular day. Going next, it shows you how much distance you've traveled per day and calories burnt and stuff like that. These are all the fitness related info. Next on the list, it shows you the weather forecast, but for this you'll need to first connect the watch to your phone using Amazfit's app. Then you've got the DND mode where you can turn it on or even set it to the smart mode or even turn it off as per requirement. The watch also has a stopwatch function which you can easily start or stop using the select button, but unfortunately there is no timer function on it. It does support alarm clocks as well because it's got a buzzer on it, right? Which you can easily set through the phone app. Going next, you got the PI info, which is Personal Activity Intelligence Score based on your fitness activity that you do daily. And this is a heart rate monitoring section. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And lastly, the watch shows you the battery percentage. So these are all the available modes and functions on the watch. Now let me tell you about the heart rate. The HR monitor can be easily accessed from the menu like this, and as soon as you go there, it starts measuring your heart rate. It's got a 24 by 7 real time HR monitoring support, and the HR monitor was working well and giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. By installing the smartphone app, the watch is also capable of tracking your workout activities and records information like the number of steps taken, calories burned, BPM, and even the distance traveled. But it can only track three simple activities like walking, running, and cycling. Coming to the notifications and smart alerts, it does support notification alerts but in a very basic and simple format. Like whenever you get a message on your phone, the watch will display a message followed by a buzzer beep. That's it, you can't even see the content of the message. And this is how you'll receive call notifications on the watch. It shows you the name of the person calling you with continuous buzzer beeps. There is no vibration alert on it, but yes, I do have to mention the buzzer sound is definitely loud. Lastly, talking about the battery life, see, battery life is pretty good. On an average, with the HR monitor enabled for every 30 minutes, raise to wake function on, buzzer enabled, and most of the time the watch being connected to your phone via Bluetooth, you'll easily get around like 20 to 22 days of battery life. But again, if you don't use all of those smart features and use it just like a simple watch, then you can expect around like 30 days of battery life. Well guys, that was my video on the new Amazfit Neo smartwatch. It's a good watch with retro looks and smart features. Like the design, it's 50 meters water resistant, offers HR monitoring, workout activity tracking, and even sleep tracking also. Only thing I felt is the call and message notifications could have been a bit more advanced, and it can only track 3 simple workout activities. I'd say it's a good watch for school or college kids where you don't want them to get distracted by all the smart features, but it's not made for the pro fitness freaks. Also, I felt the price of the watch could have been a bit lower considering the level of features it was offering. It costs around 2499 rupees in India. So that's it guys, I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. I hope you all really enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.